Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fahmi Lutfi, and this is my semiotic video assignment. I would like to tell you about icon, index, and symbol. Uh, Before that, we have to know that semiotics is a study of science. And then one of the most figures in this study or in this field is Charles Anders Peirce. He is one of the most popular figure in this field or in the semiotic study, and he is famous with the triadic theory. And one of the parts or one of the elements of this triadic model or triadic theory is icon, index, and symbol. Oh, before that, we have to know that Ferdinand Saussure also mentioned that science must be included two important parts that they are called signifier and signified. Signifier is the form of sign, and then signifier is the concept of the object that is represented. Okay. And now let's talk about icon. There are some definition about icon, and one of the characteristic of icon which is icon has a resemblance to the signifier or to the object that or to the thing being represented. The example is like a Facebook logo or the image of car or photograph. There are some examples of icon. And then an index. An index shows evidence of what's being represented. Index or some definition or the other definition that icon is the context of the correlation between signifier and signified. A good example is like a smoke. It indicates a fire, and then a dark cloud indicates rain. Okay, and then the last one is a symbol. A symbol has no resemblance between signifier and signified, but or symbol has connection between them between signifier and signified has correlation that met in the evidence. So is correlation there's a symbol has no correlation between the object and the concept of being represented, but it has a correlation. A symbol has no resemblance between object and what being represented, but has correlation between them because of agreed rules or because of evidence. One of the example of the three parts or the three elements of this point that let me explain to you in the poster of Nescafe's advertisement poster. Let's check this out. The icon in this advertisement is the red mug. This red mug refers to the real Nescafe mug. This red mug itself actually can be the index of the Nescafe products, but only if it has the Nescafe logo on it, since this red mug has already become the feature of the Nescafe product, and most people already recognize and remember Nescafe just by seeing this red mug. And then we move to the index of this of this advertisement, the first index in this advertisement is the Nescafe logo on the red mug. This logo has no resemblance to the real object or the coffee product, but it refers to it and gives the attention to the object. The people will definitely get the image of coffee drink in their head as soon as they see the Nescafe logo. The next index is the words wake up to life. These words also have no resemblance with the real object. However, the words wake up have the correlation with the object itself or with the coffee. Nescafe coffee drink, just like the other coffee drinks, has caffeine on it. And as we already know, caffeine helps temporarily makes us feel more alert. Alert by blocking sleep-inducing chemicals in the brain and increasing adrenaline production. And the second one, in the words to life, also have the connection to the motto of the Nestle company, which is good food, good life. By using these words of wake up to life, it is indicate that Nescafe drink or the object can help people who wake up early in the morning to lose their sleepiness and feel refreshed with the positive feeling. And the last one is the symbol of this advertisement is the steam that comes from the red mug. This steam makes the form of an alarm clock. An alarm clock itself symbolizes the beginning of a new period in life. Therefore, it tries to tell the viewers of this advertisement that by drinking Nescafe, you will be eager to live a new good day. And the next symbol is the colors of the background. The background is in the gradients of the black and the brown colors. These colors, in spite being correlated with the color of the coffee, are symbolizing some meanings. The brown colors affect the mind and body by creating feelings of wholesomeness, stability, and peace, while the black colors affects the mind and body by boosting confidence in appearance, increasing the sense of potential and possibility. Guys, that's all from me. I'm sorry for my bad pronunciation in English, in speaking English. I'm sorry. I hope you can understand what I have explained, and I'm sorry for all my bad. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.